SOMA, Occupational Safety, Healthy, and Environment. In today's world, where industry and companies are increasingly concerned about the well-being of their employees and the impact of their activities on the environment. The implementation of occupational safety, health, and environment policy has become fundamental pillars. SOMA refers to the integration of their of three key aspects within any organization: workplace safety, the well-being and health of employees, and environmental protection. Proper management of these elements not only ensures the sustainability of the company but also protects the physical and mental well-being of workers and minimizes the environmental impact of industrial operation. 1. Workplace safety. Occupational safety is one of the main components of SOMA. Its goal is to prevent accidents and reduce risks that could cause injuries in the workplace. This includes identifying hazards, assessing risks, and establishing control measures that protect workers. Occupational safety applies to all types of business and sectors, from factories to office, from construction to agriculture. The importance of workplace safety becomes evident when considering the number of accidents that occur daily in various industries. Global statistics show that every year millions of workers suffer work-related accidents, some of which result in serious or even fatal injuries. The most common incidents include falls, being struck by objects, cuts, burns, among others. To address these, companies must implement proactive measures such as continuous employee training, proper use of personal protective equipment, the installation of appropriate signage in high-risk areas. One of the most widely used framework in managing workplace safety in ISO 45001 standard, which provides a global guide to improving working conditions. Companies that adopt this standard aim to create a safe and health environment for their employees while reducing the risk of accident. 2. Occupational health. Occupational health is the second pillar of SOMA. It not only refers to the prevention of physical accidents but also to the overall well-being of workers, including physical, mental, and emotional health. In this sense, occupational health addresses issues such as exposure to toxic substances, stress management, inappropriate workload, and ergonomic problems that can cause long-term injuries. Work-related illness are the significant challenge in today's working world. This illness can result from prolonged exposure to certain risks, such as hazardous criminal exhibits noise, vibration, radiation. Among other, workplace stress has also been identified as one of the major occupational health problems, and the poor management of stress can lead to conditions such as anxiety, depression, and even cardiovascular disease. To prevent occupational health problems, companies must carry out regular risk assessment and adopt preventive measures that promote the well-being of their employees. This can include designing ergonomic workstation, encouraging activity break during the workday, and implementing physical support programs. Environment 3. Environment. The environment is this third key component of SOMA. This aspect covers the action a company takes to minimize this impact of the natural environment. Environmental management within the SOMA framework involves waste control, reducing emission of propylene gas, the efficient use of natural resources, and the implement of sustainable development strategy. Companies have the responsibility not only to comply with current environmental legislation, but also to go further and adopt practices that minimize their ecological footprint. This can be achieved by adopting clean technologies, recycling materials, reducing energy consumption, and promoting the circular economy. A widely adopted framework for environmental management is the ISO 14001 standard, which provided organizations with a systematic approach to managing and improving their environmental performance. Companies that implement this standard not only comply with legal requirements but also demonstrate commitment to sustainability and corporate social responsibility. 4. Importance of integrating SOMA. The integration of safety, occupational health, and the environment under a single management system allows companies to have a holistic view of their impact on the workplace and natural environment. This integration ensures that policies and procedures in each of these areas align the reinforce each other, avoiding contradiction and increasing efficiency. An effective SOMA management system not only protects employees and the environment but can also have economic benefits for the company by reducing workplace accidents, the costs associated with lost productivity, compensation, and employee turnover are reduced similarly by minimizing their environment impact. Companies can avoid sanctions and improve their corporate reputation. 5. Challenge and future of SOMA. Despite advance in implementing SOMA management system, there are still significant challenges that companies must face. One of the biggest obstacles in the lack of safety culture in many sectors. Companies need to invest in training and raising awareness among their employees, ensuring that all levels of the organization understand the importance of complying with SOMA regulation. Another challenge is the adaptation to climate change and how it affects companies' operations. Companies must be prepared to face more extreme conditions and adopt preventive measures that protect both their employees and the environment. In the future, technology is expected to play a crucial role in improving SOMA systems. The use of artificial intelligence, big data, and advanced sensors will allow companies to monitor safety and environmental conditions in real time, enabling faster and more precise responses to any eventuality. Question and answer. What is the main goal of an SOMA management system? The main goal of an SOMA management system is to integrate safety, occupational health, and environmental management into a single operational framework to protect workers and minimize the impact of business activity on the environment. Through this approach, a company can reduce the risk of place accidents, improve the well-being of their employees, and adopt sustainable practices that promote environmental protection. 2. Why is the implementation of the ISO 45001 standard important on maintaining occupational safety? The ISO 45001 standard is important because it improves companies with a clear and standardized framework for improving safety conditions in the workplace. By following this standard, companies can identify and assess risk, implement preventive measures, and ensure that employees work in a safe and healthy environment. This not only reduces the number of workplace accidents but also improves employee productivity and morale. 3. What role does occupational health play in workers' well-being? Occupational health plays a crucial role in the overall well-being of workers. It not only address the prevention of physical accidents but also improves the mental and emotional well-being of employees by properly managing factors such as stress, inappropriate workload, and ergonomic risk. Companies can reduce the number of work-related illness and improve the quality of life for their employees. How this environmental management within the SOMA framework contribute to the business sustainability. Environmental management within SOMA is essential for ensuring that companies operate in, in a sustainable manner by adopting practice that minimize environmental impact, such as wasting control, reducing the pollutant emission, and efficiently using resources. Companies not only comply with current legislation, but also protect economic system and contribute to the fight against climate change. Additionally, this improves corporate reputation and can generate economic savings. 5. What are the main challenges companies face in implementing SOMA? One of the main challenges is the lack of a safety culture in many sectors. Companies must invest in education and training for their employees to ensure that everyone understand the importance of complying with SOMA policies. Another significant challenge is adapting to climate change and the extreme conditions it generates, which require companies to adopt additional preventive measures to protect both employees and the environment. Emerging technology such as the use of advanced sensors and big data also present challenges in terms of its proper implementation and use.